Hey gang, I just wanted to give you an update. I'm finally getting a kitchen. Ha! It's been 6 months without. I hired a guy January and he did not turn out to be a good carpenter or anything. I had to let him go a couple weeks ago because he didn't know what he was doing. I had to tear everything out he did and rebuild it all. But that's another life lesson. Even at my age, I'm still learning. Bah. Anyway, John Lansadell, my friend, helped me build this frame for my cabinets. We put in the microwave, and today I'm going to sand the holes for the screws and the nails, and then I'm going to finish it off with a very thin board called Luan and paint it all white and have a kitchen. Yay! I'll let you know what I'm doing. Have a great day. Oh, by the way, I have to show you something. You might think I'm a little crazy, but we installed my 50-inch screen TV in the front of the RV. It's going to be great. This is kind of fun. John always signs and dates the things that we've worked on, but it's going to be hidden, so I think that's kind of cool.